Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in this YouTube video, I am going to give you a list of supplies and products for your commercial cleaning starter kit for under $200. Now, this is going to be the inexpensive version. So if you're on a budget, be sure to check out this video and watch the full length. All right, cleaning family. So I'm making this video for anybody that is thinking about starting a commercial cleaning business, but does not have a lot of capital to start with. Now, I was one of those cleaning business owners, right? I didn't have a ton of money to start with. So a lot of these products are actually some of the products that we purchased when we very first started our cleaning business. Now, if you do have the capital to start your business, then I do have a separate Amazon list. I'll also be sure to link that down below in the description. And that has a full list of more expensive and professional equipment. This video is solely for commercial cleaning starter kit, inexpensive version, you guys. All right. If you guys find my videos enjoyable, educational, and inspirational, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way you're notified each and every time that I upload a new YouTube video. All right, so as I mentioned, a lot of these products I have purchased myself in the beginning of our business, and then later on I was able to save up some money and then buy, more heavy-duty commercial or professional equipment. So let's just run through these products, and again, I'm going to have them linked down below for you guys. So number one is going to be a vacuum. I was able to find a vacuum for $60. And again, this entire list is going to be under $200 and doable. So we have the vacuum coming in at $60. Then the next piece of equipment is going to be a broom and a dustpan, okay? So the broom and the dustpan comes out to approximately $13. Now, my third product is going to be a Caddy holder. Now, the Caddy is going to hold all of your cleaning supplies so that you're not, having to go back and forth. You can actually just bring this Caddy with you and move from room to room. And then, of course, later on when you guys do have a little bit more capital, you can start to explore other options such as janitorial carts, and these really cool straps that we put around our brew cans. But for now, the Caddy will do the job. Number 4 is going to be an all-purpose disinfectant. Now, I want you guys to get an all-purpose disinfectant that's EPA approved, because you don't want to have to worry about having a disinfectant and then having an all-purpose cleaner. So we're just going to get one in combination. That way you are cleaning and disinfecting. And the disinfectant that I was able to find is $17. And it's $17 because it comes in a pack of 4. So yeah, so it's 4-pack for $17. Now the next supply on the list is going to be glass cleaner, right? We need glass cleaner for all the glass pretty much. The previous disinfectant you can use to wipe pretty much everything down. And the glass cleaner is coming in at $7. Now the next product is going to be Degreaser. Now this Degreaser is coming in at $10. And this is for, those really heavy duty greasy areas that you may find in a commercial account, possibly in the kitchen or even in the bathroom. The next product is going to be a duster, right? So it's going to be an extendable duster to help you get all of those cobwebs, hit them baseboards with. And this duster is actually also made of microfiber and it's washable. So you can throw this into the washing machine to get it, nice and clean, and then take it to your next cleaning. Now, the next product is going to be a janitorial mop and bucket. Okay, and I was able to find one for you guys for $44, which is actually a really sweet deal because this includes the bucket, the wringer, and the actual stick and the mop head. So we have our Mop and Bucket coming in at $44. And then we need microfiber rags, right? We need rags to clean and disinfect with. I was able to find a 50 pack of microfiber rags for $13. Now, these microfiber rags, you should wash at the end of the day, and you can possibly make do with this 50 pack for quite some time if you are cleaning them and disinfecting them as you should after, every day or every other day. This will save you from having to go out and purchase more. Again, this entire list is targeted or made up for those that, again, don't have a lot of capital and need some time to, get those cleans, make some money, and then build up your arsenal of cleaning supplies and equipment. This is definitely needed, microfiber rags. So the next product is actually going to be a toilet cleaning brush. Now, you can certainly get the Clorox removable, replaceable wands because those are kind of like sanitary to bring back and forth with you. However, you can actually purchase, and this is what we do, we purchase our toilet wands at the dollar store. I'm still going to link something for you guys. I'll have two options, the Lysol and an inexpensive one, in my Amazon store down below. However, with the toilet wand brushes, you can go to the dollar store and literally pick up 20 of them if you needed to, right? And what I like to do is for every other toilet or every toilet in a facility, we will make sure to purchase a brand new scrub toilet brush, right? So that way you don't have to pack one, put it in your bag, kind of like cross-contaminate. And at the same time, it's an inexpensive way to know that you're going to have that toilet brush at every single toilet bowl. So definitely hit up the dollar store if you can. If not, again, I'll put a link below. So that can, range from anywhere from $1 to $22, depending on which you decide to buy. Now, the next two items that are super important are going to be items for PPE, so personal protective equipment. And what's going to be included in this is going to be gloves, right? Because we definitely need to wear gloves while we're cleaning so that we don't cross-contaminate or touch any germs. And of course, some face masks, right? We're still in like this weird post-COVID, COVID's still kind of going around life, and we're starting to see those face masks being worn more. So you can get some gloves off of Amazon for about $5 for a pack, and you can get some face masks for a little bit under $5 for a pack, right? And those are not reusable. You just kind of toss them after every, location. Our next item is going to be paper towel. Now, this is going to be optional. You don't necessarily need to have paper towel to go out and do a clean if you have microfiber rags. I personally do like to use paper towel on toilets and really, toilets, I would say. Toilets and urinals is where we like to use paper towel just because I don't like to wash rags that have been cleaning a toilet. However, you got to do what you got to do, right? If you don't want to spend the $5 to $7 on some paper towel, you don't have to. Definitely feel free to use the microfiber rags. The rags that I linked down below, they're color coded. I think there's about like 4 different colors. So you can decide, okay, I'm going to only use pink in the bathroom, or I'm only going to use yellow in the bathroom. And then when you're done using that rag, you can put that in a separate bag and you can wash them by themselves. So you don't necessarily need paper towel. And my next item on the list is going to be a neutral pH floor cleaner. So this is going to be a floor cleaner that you're going to add to that mop and bucket to clean the floors after they have been vacuumed. I'm going to link everything down below for you guys on my Amazon storefront. You will notice some different list, right? So I have my residential cleaning list, I have my commercial cleaning equipment, but this one specifically is going to be called Commercial Cleaning Starter Kit Inexpensive. So you'll see the inexpensive list for this video, and then you will also see the commercial cleaning equipment and supplies for when you guys do get those contracts, start getting paid, and have the capital to invest. And again, you guys, I just want to say, if you enjoy these videos, please be sure to give me a like, hit subscribe, hit the notify button, and definitely be sure to check out my Cleaning Business Mentor website, where I have a number of different online courses, pricing calculators, internal forms, master classes, one-on-one calls, you name it. Pretty much anything that you need to start a residential, commercial, or full service cleaning business, I have made available for you guys on my website. And since we're doing a kind of, how do we call this, like a starter video for those that are starting, I am going to also link down below my bundle that I did have on sale, I think maybe last week. So what it is going to be a combination of my top 5 products that you need to start your cleaning business. I have a full online course. I have my move-in, move-out course, a residential bidding calculator, all the internal forms that you need, residential and commercial, and also a 1-hour group call with me for any questions that you guys may have. And this is going to be for a limited time only. It's worth $2,000, and I am going to be offering this to you guys for $299 with the option of payments. So be sure to check that out. I'll be sure to link that down below.